Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Malibu. Now Apple Chevrolet is offering $5,000 off this specific vehicle for all of its customers. Now qualified buyers are also entitled to additional rebates. This car does come with our black Chevy decals, and it also has our custom aluminum rims. When we get in this vehicle, we can see that we do have our jet black leather seating. Here is our back seat. Now we do have heated seating, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and even your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.